We are on our final day of our little vacation up here to Universal. We're at Studios today. Coley had seen the Studio Screamers vinyl figures and she was really wanting one. It's a surprise figure. They make 6 different ones. I'm sure you've seen these before, but she was dying to get one. What are you hoping for, Cole? Casper. All right, so here she goes.
Casper is the limited edition one. It's series 2, it says. Okay.
Oh, she. Oh, it's in a little bag, so it's even more of a surprise. What's it feel like? What are you thinking it is? All right, here it goes. Oh, it's not Casper. It is
The one you told me.
the director. I jinxed her. I told her that's the one she would get. I totally jinxed her. But there we are. Her grand prize, the director. Wah, wah, wah. See y'all.